Welcome to Ask MBA, guys, and today we both are over here, and my name is Sneha, and we have Ashish over here, and we both are going to discuss about the questions which students have in their mind during the CAT 2022 preparation. So Ashish, we have counseled so many students, and every day we have so many questions being asked by students regarding CAT 2022, and the most important thing is 14th of September is the last date to fill the form. So those who haven't yet filled the form, please go and get it done first and the foremost thing. And do you still feel, Ashish, that students should start their preparation right now, and they should, will they able to crack the examination which is there within 2 months left? Do you feel that this is the right point, they can start right from scratch?
Well, they cannot start from scratch, but then now they have to be very selective about what kind of topics they are targeting. They need proper guidance. So if they know how to get a certain score, percentile. Now the reason why students do not score in CAT examination, because they prepare for percentage. What I meant is that the way we studied in school and college, entrance examinations, especially MBA examination, is not like that. You need to focus on few topics which you can attempt based on your strength and weakness, and try to get a decent score that can fetch you a particular percentile. Now let me give you a simple example. Even 33% of question paper, if you attempt correctly, you can get more than 95 percentile. Percentile is not like percentage out of 100, but the number of students appeared in the examination, so comparing them, how much you have scored. Yeah, so it is very much possible.
So when it comes to CAT preparation, the main target of the students is mostly IIM Ahmedabad and the IIM Bangalore stuff. So do you think that should be their target, or they should compromise on those colleges and maybe go for some other stuff also, which are good colleges? But the first thing which question, the mind of the student, what the question comes in the mind of student is like, I want to target the IIMs, and mostly IIM Ahmedabad is my target. So can I get that college in 2 months? What should be the approach? What do you feel?
To be honest with you, you should not study for any examination. I know I might sound wrong, because usually people say that your target should be IIM or IIM Ahmedabad or Bangalore or Blackie colleges. Your focus should be not on the college but on the score. If your score is not good, you are not going to get call from any of the IIM. So rather than thinking whether you're going to get IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Lucknow, Calcutta or Kozhikode or some other college, why don't you focus on getting a decent score so that you get a decent percentile? So I suggest, rather than focusing on kya milega, kya nahi milega, they should focus on giving their best by being smart, by not working hard, to get a decent score, to get a decent percentile. We do not have control on future, but we have control on present. So in present, focus on getting the exam prep, not about what you're going to get in future.
Okay, so I think the conclusion what we can say is, like, you can start your preparation right now. I feel, right, they can start their preparation. They should not think only of targeting a specific college or something. They should go for the exam, they should prepare, they should put in all their efforts and see what exactly their results are, right? And then as per that they can plan and execute stuff later on, because there are many other exams also which they can target, right? There is Symbiosis, they have SNAP, they have ZAT, and they have NMAT also, which is there. If they're targeting for NMIMS. So I think for CAT, students should go, they should not have second thoughts ki maybe they won't be getting a good score, or they won't be able to get into the IIMs, right? So I think they should be going for it. Any more tips, Ashish, would you like to give for the students, or something which they feel motivated, which is the must known thing right now, ki motivation nahi hai life mein? So do you feel that there should be some aim that they can do, go for, and they can start their preparation just after watching a video, I suppose?
There are so many motivators already on YouTube, so I don't want to be one of them. But
then from Ask MBA,
yeah,
from both of us, from our team, that what do you feel that the students should understand that maybe after listening, going through a video, that this is what is, I think it makes a conclusion that I can start my preparation in 2 months. It's easily possible.
Why don't you just plan for one day rather than planning for 2 months or November 27? Why don't you plan for one day? For example, tomorrow is 11 or 12. I'm just giving an example. I really don't know today what day it is. But let's say tomorrow is 11. So why don't you just plan for 11 what you're going to study on 11, and you repeat the process for 12, 13, and that's what you keep on doing till the examination comes. I know if you think long, you'll be getting scared. No matter how big amount is, it all starts from one. No matter how long the distance is, it always starts from one step. So focus on baby steps, plan one day at a time, keep on repeating the process, and when you see what you have achieved after 1 month or 2 months, that is going to be
So basically,
beyond
it
understanding.
should be like short-term goals.
Yeah, you can say that. Focus on one day at a time or 1 week at the most. Get the right mentor or guide in your life. I'm sure you guys must be enrolled in a coaching class, or someone must be there who is guiding you. If not, you guys can get in touch with us. I'll share my contact details. So you need proper guidance and you'll be able to get it done. Yeah.
So guys, I hope this video made sense to you guys, and if you're still watching us till the end, please do press the like button and subscribe to our channel, because there are going to be many more videos which are going to come up and such interesting stuff. Ashish was quite focused during this video. I suppose I wanted this to be a discussion, but it came out to be a question answer, I mean Q&A stuff. But I think later on we'll be having such more videos. So press the bell icon and keep the subscribe button. I mean press the subscribe button too. And thanks for watching.